Awesome. Welcome to Sourcing Shots by Sourcing Express. Today I'm going to share you something cool, which is actually a tool called ChatGPT for sourcing. Excited? So let's get in. Let me just share my screen. So here is a very cool tool which I discovered recently. So let me just close this. All right. So that is nothing but, as I mentioned, ChatGPT for sourcing. Here it is a tool, ChatGPT for hiring. Basically, how do you basically get it? Just go to your Chrome Web Store over here and then type chat GPT for hiring. Okay, so it's already added for me. You can definitely add it. So that is chat GPT for hiring. So once you add chat GPT for hiring, then if on any of the page, okay, you can definitely see like this on any of the page, it will reflect. Let me just go to one of the LinkedIn page and I click on this extension over here called chat GPT for hiring. So now let me just take a JD basically. Here is a DevOps JD, Senior DevOps Engineer. All right, so I just select all. Either I can upload the JD or I can also copy paste the JD. Once I copy paste the JD, now let's say the second what happens. So here we have three things, email, InMail, and LinkedIn request note. Now let's say if I'm sourcing for some of the DevOps guys, I'll just give random keywords, something like CI/CD and AWS and Kubernetes and ELK. All right, and then I click on people. I got a list of people, and then I just go to all filters. From here, I just go to title, and I just need a title with DevOps. All right, let me just close this for a moment. Oops, I think I've closed that window. No worries. I'll just go here, history, recently closed. I come back here. All right, people, and then I just go all, and I type over here DevOps. And I click on show results. Okay, so I have a list of profiles. Maybe I'll choose a location also, India, with CI/CD and AWS and Kubernetes and ELK. So, all right, now I have this list of people. Now, let's say if I want to start connecting with these people, definitely I wanted to make some customized reach out so that my response rate is really good. So, in that case, you don't really have to think so much what content I should be adding or something like that. Now, let's say if you just wanted to reach out just by connecting with them, you can click over here on ChatGPT. Then, as we'll paste the JD over here once the JD is posted. So LI request note, which is basically a LinkedIn request note or any request note, while you can use this request note even for sending a note via WhatsApp, just in case if you have their mobile number, if you would have sourced a profile from Naukri or any such sites, you definitely have their mobile number. Then in that case, you can also connect with them on WhatsApp and send them a text message. So let's say now I want to create a request note. I just click on request note. So basically now ChatGPT for hiring is basically actually reading the JD, and based on the JD, it is actually customized a note. Like say like I'm Sourcing Express and I'm from the consulting firm, and that's reason it says that our client is hiring for senior DevOps engineer role focused on creating pipeline, CI/CD and building highly available system. Interested in joining DevOps, cloud, automation? That's amazing, right? Now, let's say similarly, I just wanted to send an email. Let's say I'm using the same thing in a recruiter and I wanted to send an email and I wanted to improve a response rate. Let me click on recruiter over here. Again, I just come back over here, copy pasted the JD. And now let's say I just wanted to send an email so that the response rate is a little better. So it's creating actually an email. It's reading the JD and based on that, it's creating some it's drafting basically a nice email so that once we send this particular email to the candidate, we can expect definitely a better response rate. So let's see. It takes few seconds, by the way, though it says 10 seconds over here, but it takes a while. Now, if you say here, we have a detailed email ready, email template, subject, and then what should be the context in the body so that the response rate is quite better and it's look like more customized as per the JD. We are sending them a proper requirement. Basically we are conveying them what exactly we are trying to hire so that when they respond back, they don't really have many questions. And that's how we can actually improve the engagement ratio. And now let's say I also want to see some of the candidates who are in my first degree connection so that I get their email IDs. Let me just see. I just go to all filters, show results. Now let's say I have a couple of candidates who are in my first degree connection. I just come here and I just go to contact details. Now like this, I have their mobile number and I have their email ID. Now let's say for the same person, I just wanted to send a email now. So what do I do? Again, come to ChatGPT for hiring. Here was the JD and then I click on email. So now it's creating a customized email template, which I can use it and send it from my Outlook or from my Gmail. So how cool is that? So yeah, stay tuned and you'll have some such more lot of learnings from Sourcing Shots and from Sourcing Express. Thank you. Bye. But let's wait before that. Let it generate the message. Awesome. This is our message over here. That's the subject line. Exciting opportunity for senior DevOps engineer at Sourcing Express. And then what the contest in the body over here. That's pretty cool, right? A simple tool, a quick tool which reads the JD, which actually gives an output of email, and request note so that we can use on a variety of platform. And that's called ChatGPT for hiring. Thank you. Bye.